Sunday morning in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, out for a little exercise. Self-love tip for today. You want to give yourself some love? Give your body some love? Exercise. Listen to this. I want to tell you about two studies that I've read about that show the incredible beneficial effects of exercise for us. The first one looked at people who had what's called claudication, or hardening of the arteries or narrowing of the arteries in their legs specifically, which caused them a significant amount of pain because blood flow wasn't getting to the legs. Now, classic medicine, the answer is to do surgery, to go in, clean out those arteries, open them up, and get blood flow back in there. And it's effective, but there are a lot of complications with the surgery. But this study said, what if we looked at people that had surgery versus people that we had simply to exercise 1 hour a day, 3 days a week. 3 days a week. Walk 1 hour, 3 days a week. And what they found is that at 12 months and at 18 months, the amount of symptoms and complications from the pain was exactly equal in the two groups. So they could have had surgery, open up their arteries, or they could have simply gone outside and walked 1 hour a day, 3 days a week, and had the same effect, but miss all the possible surgical complications and the cost. And on top of that, the people that walked improved their breathing and their cardiovascular health. That's self-love. Second study looked at the onset of diabetes. It took people who were categorized as pre-diabetic. They were like on the verge of developing diabetes. And one group, they treated with the medicine metformin. The other group, they had exercise 15 minutes a day. 15 minutes. And then they followed up the two groups 3 years later. 3 years later. And they found that the people on metformin decreased the incidence of diabetes by 31%, but the group that exercised decreased the incidence of diabetes by 58%. Almost double. It was almost twice as good to exercise. And think of all the benefit of not having to pay for all that medicine for those 3 years, plus the side effects of that medicine. You want to give yourself some love? Get out and exercise. There is nothing better. Moyo, everywhere we go.